Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best satellite radio that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the SiriusXM Satellite Radio Receiver Kit. First of all, we have this satellite radio receiver for cars from SiriusXM. The radio is able to support up to 20 channels, and users can access to these channels with simply one touch. Also, users can customize their own music channel using the tune mix to combine all the favorite songs in only one place. It is very easy to operate, with all the buttons to pause, replay and rewind the channel. This radio also provides a subscription program. The service is first offered in a free package, and later you can continue the subscription. With the subscription package, you can enjoy up to 150 channels on the radio, and if you go online, you can listen to more than 300 channels. Moving on at number 4, we have the SiriusXM SXSD2 Portable Satellite Radio Receiver. Here comes another great satellite radio from SiriusXM, which is the model SXSD2. This radio is operated on a 2.1 system, which features a powerful subwoofer, divided tweeters and other mid-range speakers. It is equipped with a foldable handle along with another cradle to make it easy for carrying and transportation. The radio also includes a remote control, allowing users to monitor the radio as well as the docking station. If you are in the car with other people, you can also connect the headphone via the headphone jack included for a private listening time. The radio is compatible with a wide range of systems, including XM on XEZIVI and SiriusXM Edge. At number 3, we have the SiriusXM XEZIVI Satellite Radio Receiver for Vehicles. Now, let's take a look at this satellite radio from SiriusXM. It is the XEZIVI model, which is equipped with the Onyx EZW system. You can equip this radio to the existing vehicle system on a DIY installation. It comes with a blue screen display, which is very easy to read in both day and night time. Users can browse through their favorite channels to find the most ideal one, yet the radio allows you to store the maximum number of 10 channels on a basis of one-touch access. There is a locking mechanism to lock the channel with mature content as well. Moreover, it features a jumping function directly to the weather and traffic channel to learn about the current circumstances of the city. After that, you can enjoy entertainment on a wide range of channels, including CNN, NBA, and NHL. At number 2, we have the Pioneer Double-DIN Satellite Radio Receiver. Moving on to the next satellite radio receiver for cars from Pioneer, it is available at a reasonable price. It is built in with Bluetooth connection, and therefore, users can receive any calls without having to access their phone. More importantly, it provides a high-quality audio streaming through wireless connection. Therefore, you can enjoy the radio and music to the best along the way home. It is compatible with the Android system, and it also integrates the use of Pandora and Spotify services. With the experience with Pandora, you can get the best sound quality. Moreover, you can also bookmark your own favorite songs to access them easily next time. And finally at number 1, we have the SiriusXM XEZR1V1 Satellite Radio Receiver with Car Kit. Let's pay close attention to this satellite radio from SiriusXM. Similar to other radios from SiriusXM, it features a large screen display of 3.2 inches, and therefore, you can easily read the name of the program or the music playing along with the name of the artist. Users can enjoy up to 10 favorite channels with one-touch access. More importantly, users can lock the channels that contain mature content easily with the locking function included. The radio is compatible with the subscription program to give you unlimited access to all channels that entertain you all the way home. There are more than 300 channels online that you can choose with confidence. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.